Well, this is the, like I said, this was the main entrance to the fountain. That's International Parkway, or morning, ladies. This is going, we're going inside the registration building. And this is Starbucks. It's pretty cool. And that's your registration counters back there. Around here is the store. And, you know, you can buy various things, magnets, postcards, sunglasses, oh, shot glasses, lots of shot glasses, t-shirts, flamingo floats, hats, more t-shirts, souvenirs, keychains, that sort of thing. That's it for this one. They got like 2 or 3 lakes here on the property. I think this is the larger one. Those are other buildings over there that's part of this resort. It impresses me because it's so clean and well kept. It's actually more than I expected. I don't know if you can see those patios, and they're all screened in. Even the one on our, I guess they're all screened in. That gives you a lot of, you know, opportunity to come out at night without having to worry about mosquitoes and stuff. I'm gonna go over here now to this larger pool. I think this is pool number 2. Well, this is the larger pool. You can tell it's huge. It starts there, all over to there. This is the snack area. Drinks, snacks, whatever you want. Wakula Grill. It's a hot tub with disability access. This is a big slide for the kiddos, or, well, adults too. I've got a couple of slides. It's a large 2 slides, 1 on each side. This one has a kiddie pool, which is I like this for cooling off. Oh, this is such a huge place. We've been out here walking for a while, trying to cover most of the complexes we can. Video of what we think is interesting. Holy cow. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That looks like a loggerhead. Well, I don't know. Maybe they're all soft-shell turtles. They're big. That'd make a big old pot of stew. Well, here is a Malibu bucket. This is all drinks. I think I might come back later and try that passion punch. I like them. Well, this is the Zen pool. I think this is building one. What do you call them? All of the balconies and everything face inside. It's kind of like a horseshoe shape here.
Balconies too.
Yeah.
So they all have balconies. It don't matter.
That seems like it. All of these have balconies that face the lake. Best I can count, these are about 14 stories. And you can see back in there, kind of like a horseshoe with a pool right in the middle of the courtyard. Really beautiful in there. So we're gonna take this walkway out to the lake. We're staying in that building on the far right over there. There's another view of that building. I think that's building number one. I'll have to check into that. But I like that. It's nice. I haven't seen any gators yet, but I've seen lots of turtles. Have you guys caught anything?
I have.
Cool.
What is it?
That's a bass. This is a boat dock. That young man up there has been fishing. Caught a few little ones. It's kind of a cool boat dock. I'm not sure where they keep their boats or canoes or whatever. It says that you have to be issued a boat. See if I can find some information on that. Well, they furnish a cornhole board game, which is pretty nice. There's several of these grilling stations around the complex. Last night, just about all of them were full, but they're pretty nice. Tables, it's a nice grill. It's a gas grill, stainless steel, 3-burner. Over here they have these blue things on the side here. I believe you can make it tennis as well. I have basketball, and yeah, it is a tennis court as well. I see those things. And so I think this is the only one I've seen here. They have hand sanitizer stations all over the place. This is another fire pit, kind of like a pavilion. It's got a nice roof over it. It's got shrubbery around it. It's kind of enclosed. Very nice, and it's right next to the fire pit outside. So this is behind our building, number 5. Actually, our room is number 3 from the bottom, in between those trees, right there. Great room. In the morning though, when the sun gets up, it reflects off of that lake right there, and you just about have to close the blinds because it gets pretty rough. But it's a beautiful sight any other time. It's a small lake, but this is the name. Lake Eve is an environmentally protected lake. All fish caught must be returned to the lake. So those are the rules of the lake. This is the indoor pool, and it's also heated as well. So even in the winter and cold months, you can still get your swim on. You have a little bar over here, which is closed at the moment, but we've got a large arcade room here.
2 targets to win tickets.
It's as big as a lot of arcades I've seen. Lots of different games.
Please insert coin.
Have a nice view of the lake. So at night, your pathway here on the, what do you call this, a boardwalk?
Yes, that's what I would.
Guess this is a boardwalk. Is all lit up. And just found out the pool stays open till 11, right?
I think that's what it. I think they got locked down.
Well, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the presentation of the fountains of Orlando. It's a Bluegreen vacation property, and if you'd like to know more about that, you can look up Bluegreen on the website, and then you can call them and they can fill you in on everything. So we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel, hit that like button and a notification bell, and we will see you out there.